After logging into the publishing portal, you will see the dashboard. First, click on the My Classrooms button and find your current book. On the right-hand side, under Ready to Finalize, click the Finalize button. Make sure to follow the steps on the screen, since this process ensures the accuracy of your projects before shipping your completed kit back to Studentreasures. Step 1. Review project information. First, you will review your project information and make sure the correct kit is selected. After verifying your kit is correct, click Next. Step 2. Verify book cover information. Next, you will review and verify the information that will appear on the cover of your book. If you see anything you would like changed, simply edit the field and type in the correct information. If you want to add a co-teacher to your book cover, simply click Add Second Teacher and enter their information in the fields below. Then you will select Preview Spine and Cover to make sure that everything appears how you want it to appear on your book. After you have reviewed and approved your book cover information, click Next. Step 3. Enter student payment information. Any parent that purchased a copy of the class book online will automatically appear in the list below. For any parents who ordered a copy by using the payment envelopes provided in your kit, you will need to manually enter their information here. There are 2 ways you can add orders. If you haven't already, you can upload a class list through your My Classrooms tab to enter multiple students' names, or enter one student at a time from the Finalize screen. Watch our video on adding students to your class list for more information. If you have a longer list of payments to review, you can search for your students by name in the Search Student bar, or filter by first or last name. Double check first and last names, their payment type, cash or check, and then the number of book copies, softcover, standard, or deluxe. When you're finished entering the order information, click Save. Finally, click Finalize and Yes to confirm. Thank you for watching. Please join us for the last part of your finalization journey.